Welcome to Cost Accounting at your fingertips. Please like and subscribe the channel for more videos in cost and management accounting. Today we will be continuing the repeated distribution problem that we have discussed earlier. So moving on to the next step. So department X, the value of department X is to be calculated. So from Y, X has got rupees 6,690 after the reapportionment. So we will take that value, and the ratio of X that was given in the question was 20%, 25%, 25% and 30%. ഈ റേഷ്യോ ആണ് തന്നിരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആ റേഷ്യോയിലായിരിക്കും 6,619 അപ്പോർഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ in order to calculate P value, 6,690 into 20 by 100. To calculate the value of Q, 6,690 into 25 by 100. To calculate the value of R, 6,690 into 25 by 100. In order to calculate the value of Y, 6,690 into 30 by 100. When we are apportioning the value of X, we have to allocate the last value to Y. And then we have to write all these values to the table. And if we are adding all this value, we will get the same value that we have apportioned. That is 1,338 for P, 1,672.5 for Q, 1,672.5 for R, and 2,007 for Y. So when we are totaling all these four values, we will get 6,690. Then to calculate department Y, we have the values 2007. We have to apportion the same using the ratio that was given there in the question. That is 25 is to 30 is to 30 is to 15. In order to calculate the value of P, 2007 into 25 by 100. So the value for P is equal to 2007 into 25 divided by 100. The value is equal to 501.75. So I am taking the decimal points also. 2007 into 30 by 100 for Q. So again we are calculating that 2007 into 30 divided by 100. We will get the value for Q as 602.1. Then in order to calculate the value of R, we have 2007 into 30 by 100, 602.1. And for X is equal to 2007 into 15 by 100. That is equal to 2007 into 15 divided by 100 is equal to 301.05. Now we will reapportion 301.05 using the similar steps. So 301.05 into 20 by 100 for P, 301.05 into 25 by 100 for Q, 301.05 into 25 by 100 for R, and 301.05 into 30 by 100 for Y. So we will get this value 60.21 and all, and department X also. So I am now showing all the answers in one stretch because we are using the same similar steps. Okay, until we will get a 0.6 or a 1 for X or Y, we have to continue the same problem. When X value reaches to a negligible amount, here the X value is 0.6, we will stop the problem and we will complete the table. So this is a completed format of the table. Thank you for watching the video.